First of all, thank you so much for those who are consistently watching, waiting, and sharing my vlogs or my videos. I really appreciate it with all my heart. We have now reached 500 subscribers and more to come. Never stop reaching our goals, never stop dreaming, and let's not be paralyzed. Let's do what we can do on our end to stay productive, to stay healthy. Actually, ang daming nag-comment about my videos, on how I edit my videos. I really appreciate your good feedback. Thank you so much. And there are some na na-encourage on how to post their videos. Go lang! Push lang natin yan. Vlog lang tayo ng vlog, or let's share our beautiful memories, our beautiful stories to everyone to inspire, and at the same time also to allow ourselves to be happy, because whenever we share what we have, our blessings, our first fan is ourselves.
Clap. Go!
So for today's vlog, I will be sharing with you my secret kung paano ako nag-edit ng videos. So, continue to stay tuned, relax, and enjoy watching!
Are you the type of person na mahilig mag-take ng videos or ng photos and later on gusto mo siyang i-edit and i-compose into one video? Or do you also want to join the community of YouTubers at cellphone lang ang meron ka? Pwede kang sumali at i-share ang mga videos mo. Sa video ko ngayon, I will be sharing kung paano ako nag-edit ng videos using my phone. This will help you very much. First thing to do ay pumunta ka sa Google Store or Apple Store and download the free application CAPCUT or CAPCUT, however you pronounce it. Basta CAPCUT. Yan, yung icon na nakikita ninyo on my screen. Kapag na-download mo na yung application na yan, pwede mo nang simulan ang pag-i-edit ng video mo. So, click on that application, choose new project at piliin ang video na gusto mong i-edit. For example, itong video or introduction video ko, let's try to edit it using this application. Kapag mag-edit ka ng video for YouTube purposes, kailangan nating ayusin ang screen format natin or the size of your screen. For example, for YouTube purposes, from the format icon, click the size 16:9 ratio because this is the correct YouTube size. Next thing to consider is to adjust the volume height. Click on the volume icon and start to adjust the height of the volume according to your style or preferred volume. Pwede mong pakinggan yung video after adjusting its volume by replaying it. Let us say you want to adjust the speed of the video, you can also do it here. You can do it faster to super fast or vice versa, from slow to super slow.
Hola, señoras, welcome back to my channel!
Click the speed icon and then adjust it accordingly. If you also want to add more effects on your video, you can also do it here. Just click on the animation icon and you will have a lot of options also. Just also make sure that whenever you take videos from your phone and if you want to upload it in YouTube, make sure that you are taking videos in a landscape way or hold your cell phone in an horizontal position. Pwede mo ring ma-filter yung videos mo using the filter icon. Click that filter option and start to adjust your video's lighting, contrast, saturation, and however you like it. Maraming options dyan on how you can adjust or filter your videos. And in case you want to add more effects on your video, you also have that option here. Click the effects option and choose also from different varieties. We have basic, dreamy, na may shining, shimmering, splendid effect, the bling, shadow, party, texture, retro, comic style, split, nature, and frame. You have it all there, so just choose whatever style you like. I chose the nature effect, so napili ko yung flying petal effect. At kung sadyang kulang pa talaga ang mga effects na yan, you still have other options. You can go to sticker options and add more stickers as you like. Ayan, magsawa ka. If you also want to add text or message on your video, you can do so. Just click on the add text option and type in there your message. You can also choose the style or font style. You also have the option to choose the color of your font, the effects. You can put it in a bubble and you can do animations too of your text. Once you're all set and done with the animation, with the effects of your video, last option or last thing to do is to add sounds or music to your video. From your screen, choose the sound icon or option, and there you go. You will have a lot of music options from rock, from romantic, vlog music, and other more. It's your choice. As far as copyrighted music is concerned, for our safety also, I suggest that you copy the name of the sound plus the music writer and paste it to every videos that you post. Paste it on the description box of your videos.
Hola, hola, señoras, señores! Welcome back to my channel!
If you want to add sound effects on your video, for example, laughter, crying of babies or a person, clap, animal effects, and other more thing, you also have those options here. May option ka ring mag-record ng voice mo. Just click that voice over or microphone icon. Then you can start to speak by tapping that mic and you can just add it to your video. Then you're good to go. And just in case you want to add or insert another video to your existing video, you can also do that here. Click that overlay option. Tapos from your videos, choose the additional video that you want to put in. Pwede mong i-adjust yung size, yung length, and also the style of the video that you want to insert. Most of the time, to come up with an awesome craft, we just have to be artistic and put styles and love on what we are doing. And finally, after mong ma-full pack edit ang video mo, you can save it on your phone, choose the highest resolution and frame rate for better quality of your video. But of course, before saving it, try to replay the video and check if you have edited your videos very well and as you like it. When exporting your video, as it says on the screen, keep the application open while the video is exporting. Meaning to say, steady ka lang dyan, hindi mo pwedeng i-close ang application until you finish saving it. And once it's okay, click done, and there you will find the video that you did, and you can go to your gallery or album to review the video that you edited. Alright, it's finally done!
Welcome back to my channel! Alright, señoras, señoritas, ladies and gentlemen, mga amigos, amigas, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And please don't forget to give your big thumbs up. Also share this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification para lagi kang updated sa mga posts ni Señora Chávez. I hope I will see you in the comment box. If in case you have any suggestions, any comments, or any recommendations na gusto nyong gawin ko on my next post or next videos, just let me know, comment down below, and I will get back with you. I will try to do it the best that I can. Alright, I hope to see you again in my next videos. Continue to stay healthy, stay strong, and safe, everyone. Muchas gracias, señoras, señoritas. Ciao! Hasta luego! Besos, kisses.